What's up guys, my name is Andrew, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be shaving Chris.
The engine bay.
Of course, the engine bay. So Chris, what ended up happening in the last episode?
Well, we kind of messed up.
So let's go ahead guys, properly shave an engine bay, show you guys what the process is, and let's jump into this episode. Alright Chris, so let's explain why there's no more Bondo in the engine bay.
Well, as you can see, the engine bay is pretty much bare again. Me and Justin took it all back down from what you guys had told us from feedback. We were sanding it, it was being tedious, taking a long time, so we found that you could burn it, and it came off really easily. So we burned it all off and cleaned everything, and we got as much up as we could. Alright, so we appreciate all of the feedback you gave us, positive or negative. We learned quite a bit. We learned that Bondo is not what you should use due to it being reactant to water. So if there was any pinholes in any of the welds, the Bondo would swell and crack the paint, and it would come out and just look terrible. So this product is our new experiment. Andrew's buddy that he reached out to, Owner, he shaved his R32 with this stuff, and he said it was awesome. This was the stuff to use. It barely ever creates pinholes or micro pinholes or anything, so, and I don't believe it's reactant to water, so even if there is any pinholes in the metal, nothing will happen. So, since we obviously took all the Bondo back off of the bay, we already had welded up a bunch of stuff, but I then decided that we should go over everything. Well, I was going to go over everything, make sure there's no pinholes whatsoever in any part of the bay, just to be on the safe side. So then when we do lay this down on wherever we have to lay it, you know, the seams and all that stuff, we don't just cake it, it'll come out much better.
Okay guys, so I think the way that Chris is now handling the shaving of the engine bay is definitely way more structured and better than how we were doing it before. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. If we're missing anything, we want to hear your guys' feedbacks, because
if we're still doing it wrong?
Yes, definitely. We want to know now before we get further down the line actually of doing this process. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead, let's patch up all of these pinholes, let's grind down all the welds, and let's lay down that Duraglass coat. Okay guys, so it's been about a week since I've been here with Chris, and he's got a lot of stuff done on the GTI. He went ahead and got all the pinholes filled on the engine bay. So engine bay is basically now ready for a nice coat of body filler. It's gonna be really nice. We have now a proper equipment and everything and the proper material to actually get the body filler laid and done correctly this time. So should be interesting to see how this comes out this time. Chris also has now gone ahead and got the wiring kind of straightened out for the engine bay. So let me have Chris go over, guys, what exactly he's gonna be doing for this wire tuck and show you guys the details of how this is done, because I kind of say this is like a quick way to kind of do a wire tuck will look pretty good overall. So let's have Chris explain it.
Alright, so I've kind of took the wire tuck into my own hands and not really followed the same way that most people do it, that is. We're still going through the same OEM hole because I want to keep my ABS, so I decided to go through here and then drill a hole through my rain tray, which isn't structural. It doesn't affect anything because most people usually delete this when you do like a full shave. So, see how it goes? All right, so from the hole that I drilled in the rain tray, usually, from what I understand, people usually do a shaved wire tuck out of this hole, and then they run it along the fender, and then go down and under. But this was the perfect hole from the rain tray. I think it's the rain tray drain. And so we're just going to bring it out here. We're still going to have it up and run along the fender. And then once we've got it all pinned up and everything, I'm going to put the engine in the car, put the front clip on, and then see how much I need to extend, or if I have to shorten any wires, or what I have to do with the wires, and go from there. All right, so now we know to a degree where the wiring is going to go and how we're going to run it. I want to get sorted on the engine bay, and we're going to start laying the body filler around all the seams and stuffy places and around this areas, but first we got to clean it. All right, so we have cleaned the bay, blow gunned it, acetoned it, made it all nice and clean. We're ready to body fill. So the rule of thumb for what it says on the top of the tin at least is that for every like 8-inch round, you would do a line of hardener right through the middle. So we're gonna try and follow that as good as possible, so then we get the best results possible, and we'll see how it comes out. I'm gonna do this properly.
Scientifically.
We're gonna do this properly as well. I'm gonna just spoon you. How are we gonna get it off the spoon?
That's right. Bondo daddy.
Hey, it's not Bondo, it's body filler.
Body fill daddy.
Oh, I wanna die. What do you think is 8 inches?
Rounding because it really depends. Slap it out there,
Twice
Chris.
whatever you got.
Whatever I got times 2. That's 8 inches. It's cooking with Chris. Oh!
I should have bought a egg beater.
Oh, bro, I would have beat the sugar out of this stuff. See how much I tried not to swear there?
Yeah.
You should appreciate that. Yo, the spoon is not doing it. The spoon is not doing it.
You gotta get better wrist action.
It's all on the wrist.
It's all the
Oh, yeah. Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out.
Look at the wrist.
Look at that. Look at that. That's how you make eggs. Oh, it's going all over me. So, now we have our wonderful cake mix. We need to put it on all of the seams and like the cracks and where I've welded stuff, and not do what we did last time, which was just slap it on, because it's not how you do it. So, I'm gonna use a spoon, because why not? Oh, it's already going hard. Alright.
Let's actually use a spreader.
Yeah, we're gonna have to spread it, because it's going hard already.
Go.
Because we waited for so long.
It's quick.
Oh no, bro, it's done.
Gone.
It's over. Nah, it's over. It's done.
Alright, we gotta make new ones
It's
now.
toasted. I gotta make a new batch. So, we're gonna run a take 2 on the Duraglass stuff, Bondo, body filler, whatever you want to call it, because it turns out that it hardens really quick. So, we need to just get it on, get the freaking hardener in, mix it up, slap it on as quick as possible.
Let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna wrap up today's episode. We laid down this new body filler and it looks absolutely amazing. A lot better than what the Bondo looked overall. Chris, do you want to just go ahead and explain the process, what we're doing, and what's the next steps that we're gonna be doing?
So probably the next time you guys will see this, hopefully the whole bay will be sanded and all that stuff. Ona definitely pointed us in the right direction. This stuff just spreads so much better. It just looks 20 times better, and I haven't even sanded it yet. So, yeah, we'll see how she turns out.
Yeah. So that's basically where we're gonna end it off tonight, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope it was a little bit more informational about how to shave a bay. As you guys could tell, last time we didn't really do it the correct way. So this is definitely the more proper way, I would say, to go shave a bay. If we're doing this wrong, though, also please let us know. We want to know if this is wrong, too.
Please.
So, guys, as always, my name is Andrew.
I'm Christopher.
And
I'm Justin.
and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.